Hey everybody, welcome back again today. Today we are going to do the Lightning Audio L3D2 10-inch. This is my first 10-inch I think I've ever owned. I don't think I've ever owned a 10-inch subwoofer ever. So this one's a D2 version, Lightning Audio. They call it LA3 subwoofer. 800 watts peak, so it's probably like 400 RMS. There's a little... Lightning Audio is a company made by Rockford Fosgate. I don't know where this specific sub was made. I'm trying to look here. Made in China. Yay! Made in China. Alright, so it's not one of the American-made anything here. Alright, so we have an instruction booklet. A very small instruction. I mean, there ain't many instructions to a sub. And this must be the ring cover that goes on top of it. I should have my box in shortly. I ordered a box. Should be in shortly. Hey, can you hold this so I can take this out? Just keep it on the... Give me a second here, guys. Take it out. Alright. Kick this to the side. And okay. There's the sub. Alright, so gently take her out. You wanna... Can't get this out. Alright. Oh, there goes that. And boom. And we're out. Let me just finish putting this out here. It's cute. It is cute. All right. So let's see what they made here. Hey, I'm gonna. Can you open the curtain? I can't see. It's really dark. I didn't notice how dark it was.
It is really dark.
Oh, beautiful. All right. So let's see what we got here. So, I mean, it really doesn't look bad. It looks huge, really. I mean, if you look at it, look at that. It's a foam surround. Cone is the surround kind of goes over the normal cone part and attaches on top of it, and it looks like the cone goes underneath the surround. Alright, so we have here dual 2 ohms. Looks like it's triple magnet structure? No way. This is not triple magnet. It's at least a double. I'm thinking it's a double magnet. There's one magnet here, one magnet here. I don't think they'd fit another magnet here, so I'm thinking it's a double magnet. So it must put out power, and yeah, there's the other one. So we're actually gonna run this at 4 ohms. So I'm not gonna parallel the wires. I'm gonna series them, or whatever. Feels pretty rigid. I mean, it's pretty stiff. So the next here is, let's check out the bottom real quick. It's pretty heavy for a little 10-inch. So I mean, this was the best that Lightning Audio made in their heyday for regular consumer series. I think they had like a competition sub. I forget what it was called. It was one of the Lightning Audios, but I forget what it was called. Let's see, the tinsel leads are on top, so they're not underneath. I don't know if you can see them in there. Let's see if I can turn this a little bit again. Yeah, you can't really see them in there, but the tinsel leads are on top. Looks pretty neat. It's pretty condensed. I mean, this is a smaller woofer than I'm used to dealing with too, and it's pretty heavy for what it is. It's a little 10-inch woofer. But we're gonna see what this thing does in the car, and that'll be our next video. So guys, thanks for watching. Even looks like a little Rockford Fosgate. It almost looks like the P series, the Punch series. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Remember, go check us out on Facebook at Bassheads of Massachusetts. We're always looking for new people to join. And check the rest of our videos out at Subs and Paws. That's both with a Z, Subs with a Z, Paws with a Z, on YouTube. And make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And we hope to see you again. And to all our current subscribers, again, thank you again for your continued support. And like I said in other videos, if you haven't seen them, watch them. But our end goal is we hope to do giveaways at some point. We just need to get our subscribers up and help us get there. Alright, guys? Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Next time, we'll see this guy moving in my car. We're going to give him 500 watts. Maybe a little more. Alright, thanks for watching.